There's no denying that single-ply roofing systems have been a game changer in the industry. They're lightweight, durable, and impressively resistant to UV radiation. We're talking about an advanced technology that's been around for over 30 years, known for its superior waterproofing abilities, simplicity in installation, and cost-effectiveness. When it comes to installation, we've honed our skills to perfection. We start by preparing the roof deck and ensuring it's squeaky clean, no debris, no dust, no moisture. We then roll out the single-ply membrane, carefully aligning it to prevent wrinkles or bubbles. Using a mix of mechanical fasteners, adhesive, or heat welding, we secure the membrane, creating a tight seal that keeps out water and air. The result, a streamlined, efficient roof that's built to last.